Hello everyone, this is week 5 for grade 7 and 8. So this week's skills will be on flexibility and strength. For this we will require either a yoga mat or a bed sheet. So let's start with the warm up. The first one is the Surya Namaskar, the 12-step Surya Namaskar. We have already done it before, but you can follow these steps again. Please maintain your body posture. Look up, heel position, use the alternate leg. Do the Surya Namaskar 7 times continuously. After that, for 30 seconds, we will do spot jumping. Jump on toes for 30 seconds. Jumping jacks again for 30 seconds. Hopping on one leg and then change the leg. The first set of activities that we'll be doing for our strength is spider walk. We need to go in plank position and take our leg forward. We have to keep moving around. This exercise is also to be done for 30 seconds. The next activity that we'll be doing is for our core muscles. We have already done the plank, but this time it's a little extension to that. We will do jumping planks. That is, we have to jump with our legs apart in the plank position. Please ensure that our body is in a straight line. And the next exercise is lunges. Your legs should be 90 degrees when you are going down. Do not touch your knees to the floor and keep your back straight. All these 3 activities will be done 30 seconds without a break. Then take a break of 30 seconds and repeat the activities. A total of 3 sets will be done. So the second set of activities is calf raises. It has to be done for 30 seconds continuously. You have to come up on toes and hold for 1 second and go back down. This is for our calf muscles. Come up on toes as much as possible, hold and go down. The next exercise is Russian twist for our core muscles. It is alternate hand to alternate leg. This is also to be done for 30 seconds. Please note there is no break between the exercises. Each exercise is to be done for 30 seconds continuously without a break. And the third activity is called bridge. You need to come up as much as possible, hold for about 2 seconds and go down. This also is to be done for 30 seconds. Rest and then repeat the activity again. The next set of activities that we'll be doing is for flexibility. This asana is called Anga Balasana. We have to hold this pose for 30 seconds, rest for 30 seconds and repeat it 2 times. The next flexibility yoga exercise is called Bandha Konasana. This pose you have to hold for 30 seconds, rest for 30 seconds and repeat it 2 times. Please ensure that our back is straight and have normal breathing. The next yoga exercise that we have is called Pavitra Utkata Asana, also called as a seated twisted chair pose. We need to hold this pose for 30 seconds on one side and then change the side. Please ensure that your breathing is normal at all times. Once we finish all the activities, we will do the cooling down. Please follow the routine for the cooling down. So this week's Kinder Play at Home challenge is that we have to hold the Ananda Balasan for the maximum amount of time. Please send back to us the videos. You can upload them on social media and tag us at Kinder Sports, or even use the hashtag Kinder Play at Home. Stay fit, stay safe at home, eat a lot of healthy food, rest a sufficient amount of time, try and do activities with your family.